Today we are going to cook cicadas. People have been wanting to know what to do with all these cicadas, and we are going to show you the proper way to cook and eat them.
Today we're going to cook the cicadas in my best Julia Child's voice. Cicadas are the fruit of the forest. You can barbecue them, bake them, broil them, boil them, saute them, cicada kebabs, cicada creole, cicada gumbo. You can pan fry it, deep fry it, there's stir fry, pineapple cicada, lemon cicada, coconut cicada, pepper cicada, cicada soup, cicada stew, cicada salad, cicada and potatoes, cicada burgers, cicada sandwiches. Yeah, that's about it. In case anybody thinks we're faking it, we did. We're not gonna make enough for a whole bunch of people, it's just the two of us.
So if you want the recipe, we will put it in the comments for you. What are you doing? You're breaking my stove. There you go.
None of us were smart enough to get a knife. Hold on.
This is our first time actually making cicadas. We have been told that they are kosher and they are high in protein.
Alright, so let's get this going. I like a lot of seasoning with my cicada. You have to have some garlic. How can you have anything without garlic? I love garlic. Ah, smell that. Delicious. I am a huge fan of Himalayan pink salt. Boom, boom. Love it, love it, love it. Obviously, we do pest control and we're not chefs. Chefish? Is that the plural? Oh, good idea. Good idea, babe. You've cooked cicada before, haven't you? Get some onion in there. You can make this a million different ways. We're just gonna do the sauteed cicada. Let's use a little pepper grinder. Throw some pepper. Who doesn't want some pepper on their cicada? If we had made a dessert cicada, we'd probably use a nice ice wine to go with that.
Shameless plug for
Cooper's Hawk. We love Cooper's Hawk. Maybe they'll sponsor our next cicada video. You could really make this any way you want. Any ingredients that you really like, knock yourself out. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, let's get them sauteing up. The onion and the garlic with the cicada. It just, I mean, it smells, I know you can't smell it in here, but it really smells delicious. It's fantastic.
And we have heard that cicada tastes like shrimp, so, and it is closely related to shrimp and crab, so.
Just gonna let it cook down for a little bit.
Oh, that was amazing.
I can't wait.
What are you gonna have for sides?
Fried salad with some balsamic on it.
It's almost dinner time here at the Buckingham West household. We're just gonna eat some cicadas, try it out. I mean, similar to shrimp, you don't have to cook shrimp for a very long time. They are just, what do they call these? These are the fruit of the forest.
Let's put this down on the plate. We want to plate it and show our food.
Onions are perfectly cooked.
All right, this is super yummy looking. We're going to go ahead and we're going to show you how to properly eat cicadas. There you go. That's it. Right there. Now you know. If you want the recipe,
Fruit of the
go
forest.
ahead. Have a good day.